I didn't see you there. Today we'll be doing the rock test for Flex Truck. We'll also be throwing it down on some concrete. As you can see, it's the 100% awesome rock, and it says "You're loved," which it's not true.
All
right, so today we're gonna be throwing this rock at Flex Truck.
Yeah, it's
and
very
we don't know
beautiful.
Quite where yet we're going to throw it at. I don't know. Where do you think we should throw it?
I feel like this would be a good idea because then it's gonna take extra damage going down.
Extra damage. All right.
Okay.
All right. So,
wait, I gotta get the good angle.
Fun fact: they used to call me the pitcher in high school. So, yeah, this one's for all my high school friends. Yeah.
Oh, I guess.
As you can see, it's turned off.
I think we need to redo that.
I think we need to redo that. You know.
Redo.
They call me the pitcher in high school.
Yeah, they called you the pitcher.
I wasn't a good pitcher, but they called me.
Yeah, because you were a pitcher.
So.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm at 2 strikes so far.
You got 3 strikes.
It's fine. I got 3. I got 3.
All right.
All right.
Oh, dang.
Major
He got it that time. All right, let's take a look. What's in the book?
It's
Reading Rainbow.
Gotta get the leaf off because it's
Okay,
not
hold it up.
pride.
Hold it up.
Freaking scum. Are you making fun of gay
Hold
people?
it up. Okay. Turn it around. Let's see the damage on the side that got hit.
So, over here.
I believe
No damage.
no damage.
No damage.
No
But
visible
the
damage.
pride flag is a little bit damaged, but you can get a pride flag stabilizer for an extra $3.99.
Yes. $399.
This is just a stock model, so
Yes.
you're gonna have to pay more.
All right.
All right. So now
Second
we have
hit.
to do one more rock test, and then it's the drop test.
Okay, just throw it hard. Oh. Can't believe you done this.
Oh,
Oh, it even landed.
wow! Look at that epicness. All right. Now we have the rock drop test. So.
Oh, dang. Major damage.
Major damage.
All right.
And then we do one more yeet throw until we do the actual drop test. Yeet!
Oh.
Oh, guys!
Oh no! Oh no! Major damage!
Damage!
Oh no! Okay, that's it for this episode of Testing Flex Truck.
Yes.
See ya.
See ya.